Hey, you guys, it's RetroBabe. Let's see what's new down to the roses. You guys, shop with me, walk with me. Well, in this case, browse with me. I see that roses is getting ready for Christmas. So it is definitely beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Let's go this way, you guys. You got the gift sets. They say gifts are $10. Basket makers, DIYers, crafters, get ready. I'll show the trees. Some mini trees, cute. Wow, $2.99. $2.99 on a lot of the sets, you guys. Can't beat it. Those are $5.99. Getting 3-piece sets. Getting a little more pricier, but definitely worth it. Adidas set for $10, $9.99. Look at these little. These are probably $1.99. A honey, you know. Nowadays, if anything for $1.99, better grab it. Didn't have a price on it, probably $3. Bod, $4.99. Super cute, $5.99. I love anything with gold or silver, you guys. I just like to add a little more razzle-dazzle with the bows or the wrapping. Even though if you're awesome basket maker, you can make anything look nice. So these are getting a little pricier, you guys. Now they have them for the women. These are sold out. The guys, they have plenty with the guys, but these are sold out. I better hurry up and get those. Those will be perfect for some gift baskets. How many are left? About 5. The little beauty blenders for $1.99. Can't beat that. Here they go. These say $1. These say $1. Hold up, y'all. $1. That's cheaper than the $1.25 store. $1. Here you go, guys. Quick little gift basket idea. Throw some bubble bath, body wash, extra lotion if you want, a little loofah or a sponge, and there you go. That's just $1. Hold on. How many in there, honey? I don't think RetroBabe gonna leave y'all none. 20 of them. $20 were worth it. Have to get all those, you guys. Body Fantasy is $4.99. Super cute. Body Mist. Which is the Body Mist? It's not saying. Spring, summer, summer night, fall, and winter.
So, how would I know about Lady C?
Wow, look at this one. $14.99, a strawberry vanilla rose. These are $5.99, blossom and petals. It's cute. I like how they have it decorated. I'm sure the poinsettias, they're for sale as well. I'm sure they're cheaper than Walmart. $7.99 on the lip oil. You know, a lot of the girls like that. $1.99 on the lotions. And this is some cute little gifts. You have some little teenagers or tweenies. $3.99. Some gift ideas for teenagers or tweens. Ooh, cozy rose, you guys. If you weren't able to get those robes, when CVS had those robes on the discount, they are $7.99. And here are the designs. Super cute. Where are they for the dudes? I don't see any robes for dudes, but they do have the 2-piece pajama set. It all says gifts on there. Yeah, those are $9.99. They're right at $9.99. Just for the guys. 2-piece robe set. $9.99. Super cute. It's already in this box. Like I said, you want to add a little more razzle dazzle. Here's a white one as well. More little sets for guys. $6.99 on those. You get in the soap and a body spray. Okay. Is that a men's print? It's $17.99. Well, I guess not. I guess everything's not on this table's under $10, but that's still not a bad deal. And these are $7.99. Kids' hooded towels. Throw those in a basket to give it a little kick. Some little teddy bear throws. $4.99. I want to find more of these. Super cute. Gabby's Dollhouse. Is this Baby Shark? Lulu Coco? Is this Baby Shark? I guess Baby Shark. His cousin. That's his cousin, y'all. Alright, you guys. So take advantage. We're down to the Roses. They have all of their holiday items set up and ready to go. Some awesome and amazing gifts for under $10. Alright, you guys. Into the next one. Hit the like, hit the like, hit the like. Thanks for watching. Newbies, thank you guys so much for subscribing. My oldies but goodies, thank you guys for returning. And as always, happy shopping and happy holidays. They're coming soon.